So welcome back guys, and today I have created an Alexa with just 75 lines of Python, and I'll also show the demo and everything. So let's get straight into it. So now I'm giving the demo to you guys. So now let's run the project.
Welcome back, Arush. What can I do for you?
Alexa, okay, it sometimes glitches, so I'll do it again.
Welcome back, Arush. What can I do for you?
Alexa, play Ariana Grande.
Playing Alexa Ariana Grande.
Okay, so as you can see, it's working.
These days,
Please
there
say
is
the
a
command again.
Okay, now it's okay. So, Alexa, tell me the current time. Alexa, tell me the current time.
Current time is 9:29 p.m.
Alexa, who. Okay, I'll have to restart it again.
Welcome back, Arush. What can I do for you?
Alexa, who is Ariana Grande?
Ariana Grande Butera, born June 26, 1993, is an American singer and actress.
Alexa, let's go shopping.
Sorry, I have a massive headache.
Alexa, are you married?
I am the wife of Wi-Fi.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
A good programmer is someone who always looks both ways before crossing a one-way street.
Alexa, thank you.
You're welcome, Arush. Anytime you need help, just say Alexa.
Alexa, wake up.
Oof, I really need to sleep. But by the way, what can I do for you?
Alexa, you can sleep now.
Okay, I am very happy. Thanks for letting me sleep.
Alexa, what do I do if my charging is low?
Please connect your charger. Quick. Or else I will die.
Alexa, slap.
Whom should I slap? Arush? Actually, you are correct. I am filled with rage.
Alexa, what are you doing?
I am answering your questions. It's such a pleasure.
Alexa, stop.
Okay. Shutting down.
And then it stops. As you can see, it stopped. So now I'll tell you the code. So guys, now I'll tell you how the code works and whatever I used for this code. So the Python editor I'm using is named PyCharm, which is free for 30 days and you can get it. So first we have imported some Python packages known as speech recognition, and we can add a nickname like as SR, import Python text to speech, import PyWhatKit, import datetime, import Wikipedia, import PyJokes. So those are the packages which are installed, which you can go over file, settings, and then go to Python interpreter and the plus sign, and then you put the package name over here. So then I made a variable listener which equals to speech recognition, which we kept the nickname as SR dot recognizer. So that's the listener uh, variable, and then engine Python text to speech dot initialize, and that's the engine variable code, and then voices, that's a variable engine dot get property voices, and then engine dot set property voice to voices one id. So if you keep 1, it will be female voice, and if you keep 0, it will be male voice. Then define talk So whatever you will say, it will turn to text. So engine dot say text, it will come over here, as you can see. So whatever he said, it will come over here. So first I said, Alexa, who is Ariana Grande? So it came over here. Then engine run and then wait. It will run and then wait. So at the first talk, welcome back Arush. What can I do for you? Arush is my name. So define take command. So within that try with SR, which means speech recognition dot microphone as source, print listening. Voice, that's a variable, equals to listener dot listen to source. Command equals to listener dot recognize underscore Google. That you get in the pivot kit package. And then voice, we created the variable here, so the voice variable will come here. And then this command comes here. Command equals to command dot lower. If Arush in command, then so the code is if Arush in command equals to command dot replace. So in command we have Arush, so it will be like command dot replace Arush to blank, and then print command. So whatever we say, for example, I will like Arush, what is the time? Then Arush will go blank, and then what is the time will come in the run panel. So and then except if there was any like error, pass return to command, which is over here. So define run Alexa. Command equals to take command, print the command, whatever we say. If play in command, song equal, that's a variable song, equals to command dot replace play to blank, talk playing plus song. So we are like play Ariana Grande, then play will go blank, and then the what do we say? Like the song variable, whatever we say, it will come over here, the song name. So then we put pivot kit, which is used to search in I mean like anything open in YouTube or anything. Pivot kit dot play on YT means YouTube, and then open song in YouTube. So and then elif means else if, because we already have if over here. So else if time in command, time, that's a variable, equals to date time, that's a package, dot datetime dot now, then strf time, then this is the 12-hour clock time, and then we talk current time is plus time. So else if who in command, person equals to command dot replace who to blank. So we are asking who is Ariana Grande. So it will be like person is the variable, so it will replace who to blank, and then info equals to Wikipedia. We installed that package, Wikipedia dot summary person, and the pages one, the first page. Then print the info and then talk the info. So the info will be printed here as this, like this over here, and then talk, it will talk that info. So you can add endless amount of these things. These required packages, and now on these don't require any packages. The only package required is speech recognition and Python text to speech for these. So like else if shopping in command, talk sorry I have a massive headache. Else if married in command, talk I am the wife of Wi-Fi. So think that you are like Alexa, let's go shopping. Then it will say sorry I have a massive headache. And then else if joke in command. So this also needs a Python package known as PyJokes. So if you are like Alexa, tell me a joke, it will say a joke to you. And then else if thank you in command, it will talk you're welcome Arush. Anytime you need help, just say Alexa and then wake up. Oof, I really need to sleep, but by the way, what can I help for you? Else if sleep in command, okay, I am very happy. Thanks for letting me sleep. Else if charging in command, talk, please connect your charger, please, quick. or else I will die, as if the charging is gone and then the laptop shuts down, the project will be discarded. And then slap in command. Whom should I slap? Arish, actually you're correct. I'm filled with rage. Else, if doing in command talk, I am answering your questions. It's such a pleasure. Then else, if stop in command, we put talk, okay, shutting down, and then after that we put quit. And then else, that means that if we do not understand this, we talk, please say the command again. So while true means while Alexa is running in a loop, run the Alexa. So this was it for this video, guys. uh, Thank you.